What's going on, guys? We are just one day away because tomorrow, June 24th, me and the guys are going to be at Garden State Harley Davidson in New Jersey at 9 a.m. for the Great American Convoy. We are going to be riding with Adam Sandoval from Garden State Harley Davidson all the way to Old School Harley Davidson in Connecticut. So if anybody is around the area, please come out and donate and support this absolutely great cause. Adam has been riding around the country for the past couple months to 120 Harley Davidson dealerships to raise money for the Wounded Warrior Project. This is near and dear to my heart, being an Air Force veteran. I'm definitely going to be there, rain or shine, to at least be a short part of this Great American Convoy. Even if you guys cannot make it, try to stop by Garden State Harley Davidson. We will be there at 9 a.m. to about 11 a.m. Or you can meet us at Old School Harley Davidson in Connecticut. Hope to see you guys there. But I do also want to tell you guys, I have to get rid of this stuff. So this is the kit that came off of Mad Max here, the 107 kit. So you have the cylinder heads. I still have like the lifters. I have a Screaming Eagle torque cam for sale. I have the heads. I have the pistons, the jugs. It only has about 7,000 miles on it. If anybody is interested, just email me, John at cycle-fanatix.com. We can work something out. I also have the powder-coated black pulley that came off because now we are running a chain drive. So if anybody is interested in that, hit me up in an email. I also have a brand new oil cooler with fan. If anybody is interested, it is brand new Harley Davidson. If anybody is running some high power, just hit me up in an email, John at cycle-fanatix.com, and we could work something out. Oh, I also have a brand new Harley Davidson header, so just let me know. But anyway, let's get into this video, guys. Hope to see you guys there at Garden State Harley Davidson. Let's try to get everybody out there. But I do want to go over a couple things really quick because a lot of people have been asking me, how is it possible this kit is a 128? Yes, Harley Davidson website, go to it. It is a kit from a 107 to 128. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you could correct me down in the comments, but I believe years ago they only had from 107 to 124. If that's correct, I think that's why Glenn only went up on his Road King from a 107 to a 124. But yes, they do have a kit. It is a Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle Stage 4 107 to 128 kit. You could check out their website. It's right on their website. Comes with everything: intake manifold, comes with injectors, comes with, I believe, like a torque cam with a 5-something lift, comes with the heads already, it comes with the jugs, it comes pistons, rings, comes with everything. It's the entire kit. The only thing that Get Lower changed was the camshaft. So I chose to go with a more power type camshaft, more horsepower type camshaft, because I'm always riding up in the higher RPM band. And even having said that, it's still going to produce a lot of torque. So we went with a 3/4 Star Racing cam that has a 585 lift. And then Mike actually changed also the valve springs to accommodate, even though the heads did come with a more heavy duty valve spring, we wanted something a little more robust, being that the 3/4 Star Racing cam has a pretty high lift of 585. Other than that, obviously the oil pump was changed in the cam plate to an S&S, and we did the Trask chain drive conversion kit with the Krause axle and Krause axle adjusters, just to be safe. Don't want to be snapping any belts. So having said that, we were able to get 140.78 horsepower and 137.6 foot-pounds of torque, which I am crazy super happy about. The bike absolutely rips. I'm going to be doing probably right after this video, I'm going to be doing a review on it, doing kind of like a first ride. I already did a first ride. If you haven't seen that video yet, is where I tricked my good friend Sandy and we had to roast his lowrider ST. But definitely check out the video. Click that pop-up banner right there and you could check that video out. But it was really, really good. One of probably the most fun video I've got to make yet on this channel. Everybody had such a great time. We were laughing throughout the whole video. But anyway, that's what we got. And I do want to tell you that this video is not in the crazy amount of detail as previous videos because it's my fault. I just didn't have the time in my schedule to be at Get Lowered shop for a week, 2 weeks, because as if you guys didn't know, me and Rob from Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle, we had the privilege to be in the new 2023 CVO reveal commercial, and I'm like backed up with videos. I had to edit those videos for you guys so they could come out, you know, on June 6th when the CVO commercial reveal came out. I've just been crazy busy. Usually like these builds get done in the winter when it's kind of more downtime, but they got done like right before summer. So apologize for that, but it is what it is. But I do have some great footage of the build on the dyno, and huge thanks to Megan, Mike's wife, for being able to capture footage for me. I left her my camera so at least you guys could see Mad Max being put together. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We have a crazy, crazy year. We will also be in Milwaukee for the 2023 CVO press release. So let's get on with the build.
running the bike on the dyno here, and we noticed some clutch slip. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is replace those Evolution clutch springs. We're gonna do the red heavy duty clutch springs. We're gonna try alternating every other and see if that holds for us.